Simple 12V battery status indicator. The Simple 12V battery status indicator is a circuit that shows the battery state only by flashing LEDs. For example, if out of 10, 6 LEDs are glowing, it means 60% of the battery power is left. When the battery is fully charged, the circuit LEDs will turn on, and the LEDs will turn off one by one as the battery runs down. Hardware components. The following components are required to make a 12V battery indicator circuit 1. Resistors, 220, 180, 150, 100. Ohms, 2. LED, 4. 3. Zener diode, 8.2. Volts or 9.1. Volt, 10 volt, 11 volt. 4. Battery, 12 volt. Working explanation. In a simple 12-volt battery status indicator circuit, each LED will close on the different voltage that is also labeled on the upper side of the circuit diagram. Once the 12-volt battery is completely charged, it will light up to 13 volts, such that all the circuit LEDs will glow on this level. So once the battery drops down to 12.6 volt, the LED 4 would go off, showing that the battery's total voltage is 12.6 volt. Similar to where the battery voltage runs down to 11.6 volts. As described above on the circuit, the LED 3 is disabled and signals that the battery voltage is 11.6 volt and soon. Applications and uses. The simple 12V battery status indicator can be used to calculate the car battery level. This circuit helps to calibrate the state of the inverter. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.